Hello, my name is Nikki Vandermeer, and I'd like to take a few minutes to show you my final project for the Advanced Web Design course using Pattern Lab. My intention was to be able to use the project to add to my portfolio site, just to show experience using Pattern Lab and also an example of what I can do in web design. We'll start with the home page. As you can see, I picked a topic that I enjoy. So it made it fun. It's for a vintage RV club theme. And I did use just the demo version basically and updated it with relevant content. As I said, the intention more here is to show what Pattern Lab has to offer, an example of me using it. As I get more familiar with using it and use it more in the future if I choose to, I will take more time to kind of get into the nuts and bolts of just updating it to truly unique content. Here's the home page. As you can see, we have a blog, we have an about page, and mainly our home page that kind of ties everything together. I tried to pick pictures that were visually appealing, that tied in. You can see to the brand colors, that's where I really kind of started. I kept it simple and just kind of used those throughout. As you can see, we've got all of the options up here for what Pattern Lab offers. Again, if I had to do it differently, that's one thing that I learned. I would have taken more time to weed out these items that I didn't need. I had gotten towards the end and encountered an issue with a contact page not loading correctly. There was some kind of conflict with my about page. I know we emailed back and forth about it, and when I copied over, it started causing conflicts. When I was troubleshooting and used the about page to copy over the contact page, it started causing issues on my about page, and then the patterns wouldn't load at all, and so I just kind of ended up going down a rabbit hole that I had to abort in order to get the project done. So I ended up for this version removing the contact page, but like I said, in the future I'd like to do another one that's a little bit more polished than this to include on my portfolio site, and I will probably remove some of these pages and items at that time and just clean it up a little bit. I don't think that I need to show every single thing that Pattern Lab has to offer to show the benefit, but I'm happy overall with the way that it turned out. It shows the functionality, it shows the features, it's visually appealing. All the pages that you click on go to relevant content. Everything's been updated to the correct theme, so I really am happy with it. I learned a lot about Pattern Lab. I can definitely see the benefits to using it, being able to come in here and share the code. I can see with a large organization what the true benefit here is. And I like the fact that for the most part it was pretty easy to use. There was a lot to figure out, how things tie together and how things update. Again, one of the struggles that I was having on my in using it was a browser sync issue. Sometimes it would freeze up and I wouldn't realize it, and initially before I kind of realized what was happening, I was thinking my code wasn't working, and so I was spending a lot of time trying to resolve issues really that if I would have just either closed out or cleared the cache or restarted it, I would have had more time for other things. But like I said, I really like the look and feel of it. I like that it shows the functionality, and really think it was a good project. I would like to do another version and just get more experience using it. It's very useful. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you very much.